Hey guys, Anvil here, and today I got an update for you. Thursday Battle Season 2 is finally being worked on again. Sonic Man's finally got the time to work on it. So, yeah, that's kind of about it that I have to say. Hey, you're forgetting something. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Uh, anyway, you guys really did seem to like Thursday Battle Reanimated. So we were thinking you guys could ask us if you guys wanted to have a reanimated project. Like, if you guys want us to redo like another Thursday Battle episode. Or something like that. But, I gotta skedaddle. That's it for the update, and, I'll see you guys later. Until then, see you on the next Thursday Battle. Sonic Man, 2018, 2019.